Light warrior, never give up your power. You see, many things on our journey want us to be distracted and want us to externalize our power through free will. Understanding never externalizing your power through Captain America. Because what do I know? I'm just a kid from Brooklyn. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. I guess we have props now. Understanding, never externalizing your power through Captain America. You see, Captain America was pure at heart, and that's why he stepped forth during Captain America Civil War. You see, sometimes consciousness is embedded in these movies and they teach us a deeper truth to never externalize your power. You see, they wanted all the superheroes to sign off on the accords and give up their rights and give up their power. But Captain America said that everyone should be entitled to make their own decisions and that the government should not make the decision for superheroes through the accords. This is very relevant in our everyday lives because many times through free will, we externalize our power. You see, the power is inside of each and every one of us. And Captain America understood that. You see, through free will, we externalize our power and give it away. This comes in many forms in our everyday lives. It comes through the form of governments. It comes in the form of doctors, teachers, and tell lies to your vision. You see, we're very quick to externalize our power from within. We all have given power from within. Free will and the ability to question everything. But a lot of times on our journey, we don't want to question everything. And we just take for granted where doctors, where do they get their information from? Teachers, where do they get their information from? And we blindly step forth and we just hand over our power and give it away to these people. And where do they get their consciousness from? You see, over time, information has been hijacked. So is the information that they hold relevant and authentic? A lot of times we give over our free will, our power to the tell lies to the vision. See, on the television, sometimes through programming of the subconscious mind, certain things will be said and we just take what is said for granted, blindly giving up our power. So sometimes we need to question everything and make our own choices at all times because the power is inside of each and every one of you. Do not externalize your power. We can heal ourselves. We can educate ourselves. So on your journey, it might not be in your best interest to externalize your power and give your power away. Give your power away to doctors and teachers and governments and the tell lies to your vision, right? Free will is the law of the universe. So always remember that the power lies inside of you. Just like it lied inside of Captain America. And we know what he was able to do, right? Above mortal men. You see, the power lies inside of you. Each and every one of you, when you do not externalize your power, you can accomplish anything in this universe. But we live in a world today where it is taken that many people, through free will, want to give away their power. And this comes in many forms, whether it's education, whether it's healthcare, whether it's governments, or whether it's a twin flame. Giving away your power, hoping that someone else will complete you, when all along, light warrior, all along, you complete yourself, right? Remember, the core, the electromagnetic core in this universe, when you, through free will, allow the power to flow freely through your electromagnetic core, you can accomplish anything. Never externalize your power to others, whether it's a television, whether it's people in certain places of power, or whether it's to another person, male or female, giving up your power, thinking that you are not perfect alone, and giving it up to this twin flame concept. We went out on the front line to defeat that as well, light warriors. So on our journey, we will come to see that there are many attempts to make you give up your free will and make you externalize your power, while all along the power was inside of each and every one of you. That's how a kid from Brooklyn was able to harness the power of a god. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of never externalizing your power. Use this to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. Remember, if you externalize your power, light warrior, you will never come to realize how powerful you can be, because the power is inside of you this whole time. But through the programming of the subconscious mind, we give away our power and we externalize our power through free will. So remember to question everything, because questioning everything, light warrior, is your birthright. This is the real deal hammer. It's kind of heavy holding this the whole time. But sometimes when we externalize our power, we can put it down and always remember that the power has always been from within. If you have stumbled across this message and you find this message inspiring and you would like to improve your physical and mental health, why don't you click subscribe, click the like button, and share with at least one other person. Because if everyone shares with one other person, we could rapidly expand our 5D community and improve everyone's physical and mental health and the everyday life experience for all people. Have a great day. Namaste.